Most YouTube automations stop the moment a video goes live. Mine starts working after the upload finishes. One finished video can become 15 platform-ready posts without 15 blank pages. Today I am building that content factory inside N8N. The input is only a YouTube URL. The output is a review queue for Shorts, X, LinkedIn, newsletters, and community posts. Creators usually copy the transcript and ask one giant prompt for everything. Every platform then receives the same idea wearing a different hat. Audiences notice the clone army, and the workflow saves time by manufacturing boredom. A useful factory needs extraction, adaptation, and approval as separate stages. Picture 3 rooms connected by a conveyor belt. Each room solves one problem instead of asking one model to guess the whole job. Room 1 pulls the transcript from the YouTube link. A cleanup step removes timestamps, repeated captions, sponsor blocks, and empty chatter. Clean text gives the agent evidence instead of a pile of subtitle confetti. Room 2 hunts for reusable ideas rather than chopping the video at random. The model scores each idea for clarity, tension, usefulness, and visual potential. Strong ideas move forward while weak filler falls into a tiny digital trash can. A Shorts branch searches for moments that create curiosity in the first sentence. 3 short scripts receive a hook, payoff, caption, and suggested clip range. Editors receive decisions instead of a folder named Final Maybe. Another branch writes 5x posts from 5 different claims. Short posts keep one idea, one contrast, and one reason to reply. No giant transcript gets squeezed into a sad paragraph with 12 hashtags. LinkedIn needs a different rhythm because useful context matters more than speed. 3 LinkedIn drafts use a problem, a lesson, and a practical example. Each draft ends with a real question instead of a fake inspirational speech. The newsletter branch expands the strongest lesson into one coherent email. One email carries the story, the practical steps, and a link back to the video. Readers get extra value, so the newsletter does not feel like recycled leftovers. A community branch creates 3 discussion posts from unresolved questions in the video. Each post invites a specific opinion rather than begging strangers for engagement. 3 shorts, 5x posts, 3 LinkedIn posts, 1 newsletter, and 3 community posts make 15 deliverables. Quality still depends on a locked brand voice. Brand rules control tone, banned phrases, reading level, and claims that need evidence. Structured JSON keeps every title, hook, body, source quote, and call to action in the correct field. All drafts land in a Notion, Airtable, or Google Sheets review queue. A human approval gate blocks publishing until someone checks accuracy, tone, and context. Rejected items return with feedback instead of disappearing into automation purgatory. The workflow also checks for a missing transcript, broken links, and empty model output. A duplicate filter stops the same insight from appearing across every platform. An error log shows which node failed, what entered it, and where the run can resume. One YouTube URL now creates a complete week of review-ready content. Automation handles repetition, formatting, and routing. The creator keeps judgment, taste, and the final publish button. Download the workflow, add your own brand rules, and connect only the platforms you actually use. Run the first test with an older video before touching your newest upload. Comment with the branch you want next, and I will break down that workflow step by step.